How to switch account on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Mesnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can switch account on WhatsApp. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. After the latest update on WhatsApp, you'll be able to switch account easily on the app itself. How you can do so? First things first, you'll have to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Once your WhatsApp is updated, you can simply go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Once you open it up, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and here now tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you'll be able to see various options, right? You can simply tap on the very first option, that is account, and under it you'll find the option that is add account. Simply tap on add account here on the screen, and then tap on add account again, and now you'll be able to go ahead and accept it and enter in your phone number, verify it, and you'll be logged in. Once you're logged in now, in order to switch account, now I won't be logging in here, but I'll be showing you how you can switch account. Once you add the account, if you tap on three dots at the top right now here on this page, below the settings option you'll find the option that says switch account, and you can tap on it and you can easily switch in between your account. So this way you can switch account on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.